Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Redmi Note 10. Okay, so what we will need is next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. So here has been the phone before, and we have to remove here a second little box. And if we open that box here now on that thing like this, we will find the SIM ejection tool here. Okay, just flap the wings to remove it. And yeah, otherwise you could use, by the way, also the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now with the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip, you enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, in that SIM tray, you are able to insert two SIM cards at the same time next to a microSD card. So very nice. Let us start now with the first SIM card. You need to place it here in the middle. So missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts are below. And if you want, you can add also a second SIM card here on the first position. Take care that nothing jumps out here, because the cards are very tiny. So this is how it should look like then if you have having two SIM cards, and also with the second SIM cards, also missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts are here below as well. Okay, and additional also you can add a microSD card to extend the internal storage. So this is how it should look like then at the end. Of course, you can use also just one SIM card and a microSD card. And yeah, the contacts are here also below, as you can imagine. Okay, then after, at the end, you put your construction into the phone like this and close it well. That's it. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I have created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me if you have done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and maybe until next time. Ciao.